Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. Are you curious about how people split their photos like you often see in posts? For example, like this and this. Pretty cool, right? The good news is it's super easy. Well, let me teach you. First, head over to Canva. Go to custom size. Units must be inches. Okay, inches. Choose 2 by 2 inches. Okay, this is just an example. Well, you can choose your own size. That's totally up to you. Okay, once you're here, click apps. Then search for splitter. And then click the one that pops up. This one. Okay, now choose your file. For example, this one. So below the photo, you'll see options for number of rows, number of columns. So adjust them however you want, then hit split image. So the numbers of rows that I choose is 2, numbers of columns 2. Split image. Okay, so here's the result. Now hit add images to new pages. So wait for a while. Then from here, you can even add text or design if you like. So again, it's totally up to you. And if you want to download these photos, okay, do not forget to delete the first page. Now hit share and download. Choose PNG for file type and download again. Okay, done. Then let's see. So here it goes. So the best part, when you download it, Canva automatically names and numbers the image in order. Okay, that way you'll know exactly which one to post first, second, and so on. So no confusions at all. So let's head over to Facebook and I'm gonna show you how to post it orderly. Okay, when you post it, of course, begin from the first photo, which is the split one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And hit open. And this is the result. So simple, right? So go ahead and try it now. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!